you have to pay 10 baht.
Sorry, honey. Are you eating something, honey?
Total. Yeah, little. 60 baht.
So what are you having, honey? Tell us.
One grasshopper.
One grasshopper, okay.
This is, what is this? Silkworm.
Silkworm, and what are you having more?
And this is crickets.
Cricket. Okay,
Silkworm and
awesome.
grasshopper.
You're not having a Scorpio?
It's too expensive.
Too expensive.
$100.
Okay.
I'll try to have it.
Sorry, honey.
100 pounds? 100 baht? Too expensive. Little low? 80 baht.
Have one, honey. Have one.
80 baht, one.